Hello guys, it's my 11 days of 90 days challenge. So improving myself in English and me forcing myself in front of the camera and in front of the public to speaking English in front of everyone. So from today I will tell you a thought every day. So for today, if he can't provide to you, so he is not be fit with you. Love and struggle do not go together. We have allowed broken people to teach us about love for too long. But here is clearly love and struggle do not belong together. A man who truly loves you will never bring you into his life if he can't mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and financially maintain you. What a leech will, a nearest will. A man who needs help. What what start as love quickly turn into stress, which become anger. Anger become the hate struggle. Love must end. It is destroying women. It is destroying family. It is lead to divorce. It is breed childhood trauma. It is not romantic. It is reckless. He can't not will not return you. Stop letting broken. Men tell you love is not perfect, but love is perfect. Love is stable. If something is not stable, so that is struggle. Struggle is not unstable. So I would like to say, please don't try to force anyone. Don't try to blame anyone because man is not a big thing. It's like a thin white. If you will hurt a man, so then he will say, as I told you, love is not perfect. But as you now understand, as I'm telling to you about this story, so love is perfect. We are human, so we are considered love like a blackmail, force. So please don't try to force anyone because if you will force to anyone, so then he will not or she will not trust on anyone. So I hope this is too much for today. So it's my uniform, so that's why I'm making video in this uniform. So